Sunday dinner recipe rice
Hey
and
guys,
peas
recipe
Jamaican
for today,
cooking with
rice and
lumberjack.
peas and some country style chicken. Sunday day, dinner time, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. It's a recipe nice, eatable, tastable, finger licking, delicious. Yeah, my peeps, see chicken there, yeah, stir it up and thing, yeah. Let it up if you want to cook along. See the rice and peas are pretty and shelly. You know, stir it up, showing your peeps, see peas are shelly and thing, and the rice and peas are well spicy, delicious, eatable, tastable. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Please like and share. Remember to subscribe, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. You know, peeps up here on chicken again. So chicken pretty colorful and flavorful and tastable, delicious. Peeps, my mouth run water right now. Somebody are hungry. Yeah, tell the peeps. You never know. It's a recipe and nice. Rice and peas again, then another update. Yeah, my peeps. So I stir up the rice and peas. Yes, I go on to serve this. See the rice and peas, shelly and things, my peeps. Yeah. Another update again for the chicken. See the recipe there. Yeah, peeps. Yeah. Please like and share.